When it comes to building an online store, two of the most popular platforms out there are Weebly and Shopify. Both platforms offer excellent tools to create an online presence, but they cater to different types of people. Weebly is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great choice for small businesses and beginners. Shopify, on the other hand, is a dedicated e-commerce platform offering advanced tools and features designed to help businesses scale and grow. In this comparison, we'll explore the differences between Weebly and Shopify, focusing on their features, ease of use, pricing, and overall suitability for different types of businesses. So without further ado, let's get into this comparison. We'll first start with the ease of use of both these platforms. Both Weebly and Shopify are designed with ease of use in mind, but they cater to slightly different user experiences. Weebly is a website builder that has expanded its features to include e-commerce capabilities. It uses a drag and drop editor, which makes the platform incredibly user-friendly, even for those without technical experience. Users can simply select elements such as text boxes, images, and products and arrange them on their page. On the other hand, Shopify, while still user-friendly, offers a more robust platform with advanced e-commerce capabilities. Shopify is specifically designed for building online storefronts, which means that its features are more focused on product management, inventory, and of course, sales. Shopify's interface is intuitive, but the platform also offers a deeper level of customization for those who want to personalize their store to suit their brand. For complete beginners, Weebly's simplicity might be more appealing, but Shopify's streamlined process for setting up an online store, including its guided setup, offers a more comprehensive e-commerce solution. Up next, we'll be talking about our feature comparison. When it comes to e-commerce, Shopify is obviously the clear winner. Shopify is purpose-built for online selling, and it offers a wide array of tools that make managing an online store seamless. Some of Shopify's standout features include support for unlimited products, abandoned cart recovery, and detailed inventory management and multi-channel selling. Shopify also offers a vast library of third-party apps and plugins, allowing businesses to extend the functionality of their storefront with ease. Weebly, while not as feature-rich as Shopify in the e-commerce department, still offers some pretty solid tools for small-scale online storefronts. Weebly's e-commerce features include secure checkout options, product listings, inventory tracking, and the ability to sell both physical and digital goods. Weebly also integrates with Square, its parent company, which makes payment processing simple and efficient for businesses already using Square's point-of-sale system. However, Weebly unfortunately does lack some of the more advanced e-commerce features that Shopify provides. Up next, we'll be talking about the design and customization of these two. Both Weebly and Shopify offer customizable design options, but there's a significant difference in the depth of customization available on each platform. Weebly offers around 50 themes, all of which are responsive and mobile-friendly. The platform's drag and drop functionality makes it easy for users to create their website without needing any coding knowledge. Weebly's templates are simple and clean, which works well for users who want a streamlined, minimalist design. However, customization options are unfortunately somewhat limited, especially for those looking to create a highly personalized or branded online store. Shopify, by contrast, offers over 70 professionally designed themes, many of which are specifically tailored to e-commerce. Shopify's themes are more diverse in the way they look and the functionality that they have, allowing for a higher degree of customization. Users can modify colors, fonts, and layouts directly from the editor. Additionally, Shopify offers a variety of paid themes that offer even more functionality, and these themes are designed to optimize the shopping experience for users. Next up, we'll be talking about payment options. Both Weebly and Shopify offer multiple payment options, but Shopify again is much more flexible and robust in this area. Shopify supports over 100 different payment gateways, including popular options like PayPal, Stripe, and Amazon Pay, as well as Shopify Payments, which is of course Shopify's in-house payment solution. Shopify Payments is particularly appealing for businesses because it doesn't charge extra transaction fees. Unlike other third-party payment gateways, this can save businesses a significant amount in fees, particularly if the sales volume that they're processing is huge. Weebly, on the other hand, integrates primarily with Square, as well as PayPal and Stripe. This is sufficient for most small businesses, but it doesn't offer the same variety and flexibility as Shopify. Additionally, if you're using a payment gateway other than Square, Weebly does charge transaction fees, which can add up over time for growing businesses. Next up is scalability and performance. Shopify's biggest strength lies in its scalability. It's designed to grow with your business, offering features that make it easy to manage a small online storefront or even a large-scale e-commerce enterprise. Shopify's infrastructure is built to handle high traffic, and it offers enterprise-level solutions through something called Shopify Plus. This is used by larger businesses and brands to manage complex, high-volume storefronts. Shopify also provides detailed analytics and reporting tools that give business owners insights into their sales and customer behavior, as well as their marketing efforts. Weebly, while offering decent performance for small businesses, is not as scalable as Shopify. Weebly's features are best suited for small businesses with simpler e-commerce needs. While you can track sales and manage inventory through Weebly's dashboard, the platform doesn't offer the same level of in-depth analytics or performance monitoring as Shopify. Shopify. If you're planning to grow your online store significantly, you may find that Weebly's tools become limiting over time. SEO and marketing tools in terms of search engine optimization and marketing, both platforms offer basic tools to help your website get discovered by search engines. Shopify again has the edge here for businesses who are looking to scale. Shopify provides advanced SEO settings, allowing users to edit meta titles, descriptions, and image alt text. Weebly, on the other hand, doesn't really have the same features here. Now that we've talked about some of these features, let's get into pricing. When it comes to pricing, you can get started with Shopify for completely free for your first 3 days of use. After those 3 days are up, you'll only have to pay $1 for your first month of access. You'll get access to all the features that you pick depending on the plan that you go with, and this is probably one of the best ways to get started with your e-commerce store. If you guys want to get started with Shopify, make sure you use the link down in the description, which should take you to this page. As you can see, once we're on this page, we'll simply click the Start Free Trial button. Once we click that button, we'll then be taken to this page where we can skip all of these steps and then select what state we're in, hit the next button, and then create a quick account with our email and a username. Once we have all that filled out, we'll then hit the Create Shopify Account button, and we're ready to start selling products on our Shopify store. When it comes to Weebly's pricing, they offer 3 primary pricing plans that you can choose, especially for e-commerce users. They have a personal plan for $10 a month, a professional plan for $12 a month, and a performance plan for $26 a month. Weebly also has a free plan, but it includes Weebly branding, and it's not really suitable for a professional online business. Overall, Weebly's pricing is pretty affordable, making it an attractive option for small businesses or individuals who are just getting started. Let me know down in the comments below which of these 2 platforms you personally use. Also, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button so that way you never miss any of our future videos that we post. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.